Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make this cute and easy origami fish. So let's get started. We'll start with the square paper. You can have it in white or any of your favorite color. Now crease it along the diagonal of it and fold it in half. Make sure that your creases are perfect. Open it up, rotate it 90 degrees and then crease along the second diagonal. Again fold it in half and try to make the folds as neat as possible. Again open and then flip the complete paper. Now we'll take the side edge and then fold it in along the center so that we are left with a rectangular kind of shape. Again we'll open, rotate it 90 degrees and then fold it back in the half along the center edge. Now all of our basic folds are done, so we'll start folding the fish. Firstly we'll flip it over and push the center point on the bottom, and then I'll try to match the horizontal edges with the other horizontal edges and the diagonal one with the other diagonal ones. So just try to follow along. Edge by edge we will be folding our shape, and in the end we will be left with a triangular shape. Once you get this, make sure again you press your edges. Your creases should be neat and smooth. At this point, just make sure that your model looks exactly the same as mine. Now we'll start making the fins of the fish. Take one edge and fold it along the center. Now take the same edge that we have just folded and then crease it along the center. Now open up and then take the next flap and fold it along the latest crease that we have created. And then fold the first flap back up. This completes your easy origami fish. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next.